Hi everyone, my name's Juliet and today I'm going to talk about using colour labels in the binder in Scrivener. Why might you want to do this? Well, to have a quick visual check on things. First you have to select Use Label Colour under the View menu. If you're in the novel template, this is going to automatically assign colours to your chapters and scenes if you've already given them a label. If you haven't already done this, you can go to the binder and right mouse click on each element, or you can go to the inspector and choose a label there. However, you don't have to use just the labels provided. You might, for example, want to differentiate points of view, or which scene is action or reflection, or any other number of things. To create your own labels, go to Edit in the Labels section in the Inspector. Click plus to add a new label, give it a name, and if you want to change the colour, double-click on the little colour block. Once you have your label, just click on it to assign it to the scene, and you'll see that the colour changes in the binder. To delete a label is just a simple highlight and click the minus button in the Inspector. What might you want to visually differentiate by colour in your binder? Let me know in the comments. For more Scrivener videos, why not check out this playlist? I'll see you there. Thank you for watching.